na wa ware
egu
eho e na wo hu se edie nkwa obe se edie na wo pe
atopa je
se edie na wo pe wo na wo kunu chiu obe di usa ka fre eni
What's up, Whitey fam? Oh, go for some good day. Welcome back to another video. Hey, so if this is your first time seeing our faces, my name is Abena Boatima. Oh yes, a Ghanaian-based YouTuber in the next. Your next YouTuber, Wakope, no size. With me is my sweet mom, the woman behind my success in this life. Oh yes. It's here in Wakope, no size.
no size.
So this is another request from a subscriber. The way you people are showing us love on this channel, we really appreciate it. Like, people are bringing us requests and also encouraging us to, you know, film the video on the channel, and I really appreciate that. So this female subscriber has been married for some time now. Oh yes, and she said she's never enjoyed sexual intercourse with her husband. So I should tell mom, so that mom will bring out her opinion and also educate us on orgasm during sexual intercourse in marriage. You know, she married her husband. Her husband is in her own words, she said her husband is a very good man, like a very good, responsible man. When they were dating, her husband was like no sex before marriage. He's the Christian type, you know, the strict Christian type, you know, those kind of men. So he was like no sex before marriage, and she agreed. And in her previous relationship, her ex-boyfriend was very good in bed, you know, those guys, but he was crazy. He was crazy, like so crazy. He doesn't respect her. That is how the relationship ended. So when she met her husband was so loving, so caring, so gentle, you know, and all those stuff. Then they got married. They're so responsible in her own way. So when they got married, on their wedding night, she met the unexpected. She met the unexpected on her wedding night. She wasn't satisfied with her husband's performance. What I say? So the man didn't hit the note. he didn't hit the chord. So she was like, oh, maybe it's because they are tired from their rounds and all those stuff. You know, marriage, you get tired. Sometimes on their wedding night, people don't even do anything on their wedding night. So she was like, oh, maybe it's because of the tiredness and the stress. So a year into the marriage, she was like, it's still the same thing. Nothing is changing. The same style, missionary style. Every day, lie down, open your leg. Let's do it. No foreplay, no nothing. Like, the husband will just come on time. You get me? He's the 2 seconds people. Let me put it like that. So this lady gave us the opportunity to say it on this channel. She was like, Abuna, you and your mom should say it as it is. Do not miss my words. Please say it as it is. That is why I'm saying it as it is. It's, you know, the woman is suffering. She's not having orgasms in her marriage. Like, her husband is not hitting the note. The husband is not doing his, you know, sexual duties, and he's doing other duties. So like, he's very responsible. He takes care of the home really well. He doesn't allow the woman that does not lack. Like, you can see that the woman doesn't lack. Like, what I say, a very comfortable woman in her marriage. But the only thing that is bothering her is I see her under canoe. You know, marriage, that thing too is part of the happiness in marriage. When you can't satisfy your partner, it's also part of the, you know, it's, you know, mom is here. Let mom. She said she wants mom because she knows that mom speaks the truth and nothing but the truth. So mom, then I will come for a new way.
Asem there,
Can you know what you?
Asem there, na yanso.
Oh,
but ni America chababa one say, obi nima, obi chire. Ukunu no. Or shall find Udono, or no Sudona, Moari. Sheda, ne friend, net nasi or dog. Oh, Mira. As when you win a ham you. Yen namono meninji.
It's communication.
Mumieno, Muntanasi. Nantia said, meninji. Would ye, Ceciana, would ye when yaji? Median meninjita. If ye be I worry, that will cry the wa. meni woni mi ada meni age da nti ye ne den ebi a wukunu onim se na ye di agoro ansana ye ni oba ada se ni abe ma ne tinu se si a ne ho aba no o se osua se ni ye di agoro kakra na oba no so ni feelings e ben kakra afi mu di ahia na achi na be ma no onim sa ni ama yina ye una wo be kire
no
wo don a friend ne trasi me ra me ba chaw we na ha me nti sese no ye be ye ne den ni tete enu nti na me pese me ka jiro na wo be fa wo kuna chi die.
So one thing I forgot was she was like she wanted to go back to her ex because recently her ex contacted her. You see what the devil can do? The devil will, will plan. Will be waiting for a spot on you or the devil waits for a spot like an opening in your life so that anytime you start thinking negative thoughts, then he enters. So he brought the ex back into her life. So the ex contacted her and was like they should hook up, and she remembered the good sex she had with her ex. If not for the bad way the ex treated her, she would have married the ex because the ex was very good in bed, and the lady too is very sexually active. She's those women who have high libido. They are extremely horny. Yes, you have to satisfy them to the maximum. And marriage is not all about sex and all those stuff. There are a lot of things pertaining to marriage. So she studied her recent husband now and was like, he's responsible, he's God-fearing, he's caring, he's loving, he's all these things. He doesn't treat her bad. Like, he encourages her to do more in life. But the only thing that is bothering her is the sex part. Someone interrupted us, so what was I saying? So she wants to go back to her ex to enjoy, that thing. But
now
she's
koyo better.
Like koyo better. Faber also koyo better. Video that also that's what I meant. So she wants to go and do it and come and lie beside her husband, and that thing too is very bad, like cheating. Like when you cheat on your spouse, it's spiritually spiritual something. Your spouse will never be progressive in life. Like go and cheat on your husband and come and sleep beside him. His job is bad luck. His job will collapse. Finances will be basa. That is why study good men whose wives cheat on them. See that their lives are basa. So she wants to do that. She doesn't want to leave her marriage. This one day she doesn't want to leave her marriage, but she wants to do koyobeda. Go and do it and come back. So
dear, me man advice is
communication.
On can ye honey na and channel. Say Mira, I dear way in a hammy. Wouldn't me da, me feelings be it is a say a bay any day. The pacho. Not be money better than say. Almost beg you. Na say, I didn't know how didn't anymore. So, up the draw ye. Who crowd between up a drama who afanyas once oh Mira, the draw be new. Yes, he say. It's ye you so come great say, wouldn't ye because enough we be mammy. Now so I dear way near mammy ninja. Into me pacho. Ye any say. Now we be for who cheat. Baby be a papa we ama winina. And Nanti, we find a cheat. Apple, you bear my for aquata. Now I could a wabafi. Ishrakra, Obanukran. Bible says, I say, we need pedia. You need pedia, and Yakupon.
Sorry, dying. Our bodies are the temple of God.
Now, Yakupon says, who say the pedia, no one so best say.
Yes.
It is hard any day upon it, see it. Me man advice. So one friend, no one tenacity, no one cassa. Memma no bet see, say, no who ban then to use a drooping or better.
No, I pay.
Then DJ, about my worrying. That's what you have back. Mera, as someone catch on Jairo X. When you see
your ex is your ex. Like, serious, I don't know why people, when I say this thing, some people will say that I'm so difficult, man. Your ex is your ex. There's a reason you people didn't come together. There's a reason. He's your ex. If you are married, stop talking to your ex. It's so bad. Like, I don't. This thing I've said it I said it some time ago, and people came after me. Your ex is your ex. Do not talk with your ex. Stop typing WhatsApping your ex. Stop calling your ex. Stop having any relationship to do with your ex. Like, you are exes. Ex means past tense.
Dear, when you feed him, we are no good chew. na wa ware
egu
eho ena we hu se edie nkoa obe se edie na obe
atopa je
se edie na obe uye na wukunu chiu obedi usa ka frɛ ni omo he na wa ware so
egu
na wanim
egu ase
na ko di edi na obe nti mi die na ka kire se ni wukunu trase mo kana so dwe mbra mesrew
ai
na mieni
amen
mani
ai so ena mbeba bi so wo ha omu ni mo problems so omu kan kire no ma be ware o na obre and to those men who know their problems yes those men who know that they are not sexually active omu compare and do not go and take care of themselves before marrying someone's daughter you know that you are 2 seconds man, you know your problem, but you don't solve your problem before you get married to your spouse. Then your spouse will be suffering in the marriage. In this case, the man there, he knows how to do it, but he doesn't satisfy the woman. No foreplay, and also he's like he comes on time. So he doesn't think it's a problem. You get me? He doesn't think it's a problem, but it is a serious problem on the woman's part because she's never had an orgasm in her marriage. So to men who know that they have problems, no, it's not good. Solve your problem before you marry someone's daughter. Before you lead someone's daughter into sin. You get me? Sex is part of marriage. And there is pleasure is part of marriage. So you have to satisfy your spouse. Oh yes, you have to satisfy your spouse, whether you like it or not. If your husband wants to go down on you, allow him to give you a head. If your wife wants to give it to you, allow her. Oh my God. Okay.
Asa. Asa bema no. On ti ase ma na yiri ene tu bu ase hwe bema ya korokoro. Bema uye bema han e unya hwe fini de. Korokoro no mewura. Asem bi ame. Ni pese me no ka so mi sro. We so be worry.
Now I can't call. You see, African women, we were trained to be timid. African women were trained to be submissive, too submissive and too timid. You see, sometimes things worry us. We can't even tell our husbands. Like seriously, they should communicate. Communication is key. Some women are even afraid to tell their husband that they want this style, this position. Some people, there are a lot of women are afraid to show sexual styles to their partners because Ghanaian men will say you are a slut. Be a slut for your husband, especially when you marry a village man. It's those men that will tell you that you are a slut because you can tell your husband that baby, you are not hitting the, like when you are having the sex, communicate, keep communicating. You are not touching the right spot, you are not doing it well, please do it like this, do it like go this way, you get me? So it's part of the sexual communication. And you know, my sister, teach him. You know, as for you are a boss who in it. You are a boss who is sexology. Sexology is a sexology. So please teach him and teach him for us. You see, very soon that you run away from the bedroom. Very soon, he will be the boss and you'll be running away from the bedroom. Don't come and complain. So, thank you so much for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to do what? Like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.